Good morning, students, and assalamu alaikum. I'm your English teacher, and today we are going to start our second chapter of New Oxford Modern English Book 2. So, for this, take out your book and take out page number 12. So, on page number 12, here our chapter name is The Trap. The Trap. Trap means jal. Words to know. First one word is honest. Honest means good, not false, not telling lies. Not telling lies means imandar. Honest means imandar. Immediately, straight away, at once. Immediately means foreign. Jackal, a wild animal like a dog. Matter means problem. Replied means answered. And rubbish means useless or unwanted things. Rubbish means useless or unwanted things like gand, like kooda karkat. So all of you put your finger here. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. He tried and tried to get out, but the trap was very strong and he could not get through the bars. Just then, a boy came walking by. So once upon a time, this tiger was caught in this trap. He tried really hard. Tried means koshish karna. He tried really hard to get out this trap, but this trap was very strong. And just then this boy came walking by. The tiger cried out. Cried means chikhna. The tiger cried out, "Let me out, my friend. Please let me out of this awful trap." Awful means ganda. So the tiger cried out that, "My friend, please let me out of this awful trap." "No," said the boy, "you will eat me up." "No, no," said the tiger, "I shall be your friend and servant." Servant means nokar ya ghulam. Right? So the boy said to the tiger that, "No, you will eat me up." But the tiger replied that, "I shall be your friend or your servant." Then he cried and cried until at last the boy opened the door. The tiger immediately caught hold of him. "You fool," roared the tiger, "now I shall eat you up." Roar means ghurana. So tiger roared that, "You fool, I shall now eat you up." The boy started to cry, and the tiger said, "All right, perhaps I will let you go. Ask for help from 3 things you see. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go." So when the boy started to crying, the tiger said to the boy that, "Okay, I will let you go, but you can take help from 3 things. If these 3 things will agree means razi. If these 3 things will agree to help you, then I will let you go." First, the boy asked a great tree in the forest for help. Forest means jungle. But the tree laughed. So first of all, the boy asked a great tree in the forest for help, but the tree laughed at the boy. Laughed means hasna. The tree laughed at the boy. "Why should I help you?" said the tree. "You are lucky. People take my fruit and cut my branches. Nobody helps me. Go away." So the tree said to the tiger, said to the boy that, "You are lucky." Lucky means khushkismat. He said to the boy, the tree said to the boy that, "You are lucky, but people take my fruit and they cut my branches. Nobody helps me. Why I should help you? Go away from there." Next, the boy saw a bullock working in a field. He asked the bullock for help. Bullock means bell. So next, the boy asked help from the bullock. You are lucky," said the bullock. "I work hard all day and get little to eat. Nobody helps me. Go away." So when the boy asked help from the bullock replied that, "You are lucky. I work all day very hard and get very little to eat. Nobody helps me. Why should I help you? Go away from there." Finally, the boy said to the road, "Oh road, please ask the tiger to set me free." Finally means aakhirkar. So finally the boy asked help from the road that please ask the tiger to set me free. "Never," said the road. "You are lucky. Look at me. People walk and ride all over me. They throw rubbish on me. Nobody helps me. Go back to the tiger." So when the boy asked help from the road replied that, "No, you are lucky. But look at me. People walk and ride all over me, and they also throw rubbish on me." Rubbish means kooda karkat ya gand. So they throw rubbish on me. Nobody helps me. So why should I help you? You go back to the tiger. The boy was sad, but he was also honest. He walked back to the tiger. On the way, he met a jackal. So now the boy was sad, but he was also honest, so that's why he walked back to the tiger. But on the way, he met with a jackal. Jackal is like a wild animal like a dog. Here is the picture of a jackal. So on the way, when he walked back to the tiger, he met with this jackal. "What's the matter, boy?" asked the jackal. The boy told him about the tiger. The jackal felt sad. "I will help you," he said, and went with the boy to the tiger. "How did you get into the trap in the beginning?" Beginning means shuruat. He asked the tiger. Okay, so the jackal asked the tiger that, "How did you get into the trap in the beginning?" "Like this," replied the tiger. So when the jackal asked from the tiger that, "How did you get into the trap in the beginning?" the tiger replied that, "Like this." But how? "Show me," said the jackal. The tiger walked back into the trap, and at once the jackal shut the door. Shut means band karna. When the tiger walked back into the trap, immediately the jackal shut the door. "Now stay there," said the clever jackal, and he and the boy went away. Stay means rehna. So this clever jackal said to the tiger that, "Now you stay there," and he and the boy went away. As we are done with our reading, so here we are going to start our copy work. So for this you have to write this work in your copy in your neat handwriting. So for this, first write the chapter name, chapter number, which is chapter number 2, and then the chapter name, and then the heading of dictation words. Here your first dictation word is caught, CAUGHT. Second is servant, SERVANT, servant. Third word is immediately, IMMEDIATELY, immediately. Fourth word is perhaps, PERHAPS, perhaps. Fifth word is lucky, LUCKY, lucky. Next word is road, ROAD, road. Seventh word is honest, HONEST, honest. Next word is walked, WALKED, walked. Ninth word is clever, CLEVER, clever. And the last word is replied, REPLIED, replied. Now our next topic is words and tenses. You have to write it on the next page. You have to first write heading of words and tenses. Words and tenses. Now here first word is tiger, and its sentence is, "Tiger is very dangerous animal." Second word is friend. "Ali is my good friend." Third word is road. "The tiger rode at the boy." Fourth word is help. "Good friends help each other." And last word is rubbish, and its sentence is, "Don't throw rubbish in your class." Now here are the question and answer of this chapter. You also have to write it on the next page. Now first question is, why was the road unhappy? And its answer is, the road was unhappy because people threw rubbish on it. Second question is, how did people hurt the tree? And its answer is, people hurt the tree by eating its fruits and cutting its branches. Third question is, who let the tiger out of the trap? And its answer is, the boy let the tiger out of the trap. And the last one question is, who put the tiger back in the trap? Its answer is, jackal put the tiger back in the trap. Now here we are going to start our book work. So take out your book and take out page number 14. Here your question is, read the passage again. Then say if these sentences are true or false. Now here are true, false. I will read the sentence. Now you have to think about the sentence. If it is true, then write here T, and if it is false, then you will write here F. Now here first sentence is, the bullock was pulling a cart. Yes, this one is true, so you will write here T. Second is, the trap was very strong. Yes, this one is also true, so you will write here T. Now the next one is, the tree helped the boy. No, this one is false, so you will write here F. Now the next one is, the boy was not very honest. No, he was honest, so this one is false, you will write here F. The last one is, the jackal was very clever. Yes, he was very clever, so this one is true, you will write here T. Now move to your next question. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. Now here are 4 sentences for you. You have to fill these blanks with the help of these words. As first word is, extra, agree, through, suddenly, what, awful, and decided. Now you have to fill these blanks with the help of these words. Now first sentence is, the jackal dashed to help him. So the jackal decided to help him. You will write here decided. Decided. They will not dash to save me. You will write agree here. They will not agree to save me. This is an dash trap. Yes, this is an awful trap. Awful. I cannot get dash the bars. I cannot get through the bars. Right? Now here your next question is, match the column. Here is column A and here is column B. Now you will match this column A with column B. Now in column A, first sentence is, a thing made of wood with 4 wheels. Yes, this one is cart. A cart is a thing which is made up of wood with 4 wheels. So you will match it with a cart. A thing made of metal and wood. It's a knife. A knife is a thing which is made of metal and wood. So you will match it with a knife. A thing made of cotton. It's a shirt. So you will match it with a shirt. A thing made of glass. It's a mirror. A mirror is a thing which is made of a glass. So you will match it with a mirror. And the last one is a thing made of paper. It's a book. A book is a thing which is made of